Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Siko. Today we're going to be taking a look at MMAT. I will be talking about some of the fundamental side of things. We're going to be talking about is actually MMAT overvalued or is it sitting at the right place right now? I'm going to be giving you my technical analysis and predictions. Also, we'll be talking about some news that actually came out about metamaterials. Okay, they're not that big of a news, but like we will see what the other people think about it. And so, but first of all, we are sitting a price of around $3.01 at the moment. Okay, this is where we're looking at right now. We are on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, and this is where we're like 3 cent, $3.01. And I know yesterday, I did make this prediction at the end of the video. Okay, so I was talking about how you should consider liking and subscribing. And then I made this line and like. Uh, what was I thinking when I made this line? Okay, so first of all, I'll explain it to you guys like right there. So like looking at the chart, as you see, we had a this is how the chart was looking at. Okay, something like that. Okay, it was something like that. No, screw that. And I thought, okay, so we had been kind of really pushing to the downside. We kind of had a breakthrough structure, and from like looking at the chart at the moment, I can see that right here we have like a high volatility area. If you just go through 1 hour time frame, so it can make more sense. Okay, here we have a high volatility area right here. If you look at the side, so in these areas, so like we tend to kind of go to them, kind of this we can use it as a resistance right here, and kind of push back down. And look what happened. Okay, so yeah, we did kind of touch the area, and we did also kind of surpass this lower high. You sound like that. Okay, we kind of surpassed this lower high with 2 weeks, two full close weeks. And as you can see, like this is where are we sitting at the moment. Okay. I tend to think that we are about to push through like really to the downside again. Now this isn't like that. This is not it. If the people are thinking, oh, I think that we can like easily run around here. Okay, and that's for my prediction. But let's just talk about the news that I said at the beginning. First of all, and I will get back at the end of the video about the technical analysis and all of the good stuff. Okay, first of all, there is more additions to the team for Meta Material. Okay, that Meta announced that renowned renowned scientists to join the new specific or new the scientific advisory board for Meta Materials, which this scientific this scientist is pretty good deal. I mean, they said that a Meta or a developer for high performance functional materials and nanocomposites today announced that the formation of a scientific advisory board or the actual board to support its like innovation and investment strategy and welcomes Andrew or Andrea Alu, the PhD, Mark Bronxmara, I don't know how to pronounce their names, bro, and Nadera Engeda. Okay, so the board will help the company protect and grow existing scientific innovations, support its development of new technologies, assists to assist us or with our like outreach to the scientific community, guide and oversees Meta's open like innovation programs. Okay, so they're growing there. I mean, when we're looking at the chart, no, they're not growing. The price is like keeps dropping, but that does not mean that metamaterial is like dead. Okay, or something like that. First of all, for those of you who are saying that metamaterial price is overvalued or meta is going to $1 because of minus zero point zero 0.03 EPS that just hit like yesterday. This is a Robinhood valued at $45. Okay, with minus 2.16 EPS and the hood. Okay, hood. I mean that like Robinhood. Okay, and don't like do not talk to us because to be fair, do not talk about us to be fair about the market like valuation. Okay, but I know a lot of people do not like Robinhood and all the other stuff, and a lot of people are saying, okay, F Robinhood, they're the enemy. Okay, there should like we should not give no like quarter to them in the okay, and so on and so on in the market. and the market is kind of doing their thing, okay, but Meta is the way, okay. I don't know how this keeps dropping. It's not people, because who the fuck got in, like who the fuck got in like three and a half to sell, or they dumping to take the lose, okay. I can read and know in my heart and mind this is a great stock and head into the future. People want to post of the company, and like any that was founded in 2012, when they was so slow, okay. An empire was to build in a few years. So go ahead, dump away. I'll buy all this shit up and at a discount and own the majority of public shares myself. Have a nice day. This is from BPCGR on Reddit. Okay, I mean I can kind of agree with him for some degree, and one person what he says that what not suffered. Okay, I think that's a girl or boy on Reddit. I don't know, but I like what he said. He says, thanks for reminding me about the volume. Okay, it trades just like Zomedica or ZOM. I wonder if this is a common for American traded Canadian like companies. Like, there's enough liquidity slush to slay paper hands in like identifying or identically, which crashing the stock to zero. Okay, this can, I mean, a lot of the paper hands, to be sure, are down right now. Okay, and all of them are out of this company. But the SES SEC won't actually stop them. Okay, it's just business, and there's no law against it. I'm just glad someone bought it in at 6 cents because I like the stock. I was able to buy the bottom two and then blast off. Okay, the thing about the rockets is that they are like actually quite common, but being inside the rocket at the right time is crucial. Okay, otherwise you are just waiting for it to take off. Meta is not different. Meta Ape rocket will take off at some point. Just wait. Okay, I mean these are like some kinds of words in the Reddit community. Okay, I mean everyone has their own way of thinking. I read some of them because I actually believe what they're saying, and I can like basically agree about them. But for the technical nonsense right here, as I said, I will not be also surprised if something like this even happens. Okay, kind of push to the downside, but we'll see what will be happening. This is why we have like kind of two predictions right here. Okay, and like why do I think that we can push right there? Well, first of all, if you just kind of, this is high volatility area too. So like what we do, okay, we tend to kind of move to the high volatility areas, and we kind of tend to bounce off of them. So yeah, something like that could actually happen. Okay, and guys, let me know what are your thoughts about this. Make sure like to like consider liking and subscribing. It is always up to you. Then I'll beg you to do anything, but I will like highly appreciate that. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, and I know you're tired of hearing this, but it is what it is. I just want to say that. I mean, you already know that some of these YouTubers could be financial advisors, but no, I'm not one of them. But yeah, that's about it for the price section. Let me know what are your thoughts. I'm holding this to like above $200, $300. But yeah, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.